Hey guys, it's Kristin with Printable Cuttable Creatables. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this cute Easter basket gift card holder. This design is actually really quick and easy to put together, so let's go ahead and get started. So I've already got all my pieces cut out, and I'm going to start by assembling the gift card sleeve, which is these bottom pieces here. So I'm going to start with the actual sleeve piece, and I'm going to go ahead and fold along the score lines. Here I use the file with the dashed score lines, but I also have a solid score line version included with this file if you prefer to use a scoring wheel or scoring stylus to create your score lines. So what I'm doing here is I'm just folding in the glue flaps around the edges of the basket. And once I've got all of them folded down, I can go ahead and apply glue to the edges of the flaps. Okay, so I've got glue on all of the flaps, and then I can just fold it in half along that middle score line and just make sure to tuck in the flaps. There we go. And just press everything down so the glue gets a good stick. Sometimes I like to use the brayer to press it on and give it a good press. Okay, I'm just going to set that aside to dry, and then I'm going to assemble the little tag here. The file comes with a single line Happy Easter, so if you want to write this with your machine's pen tool, the Happy Easter is included in the file. You could also change that to like the recipient's name to really personalize it. And I'm just going to glue that onto the scalloped offset like that. And then now I'm going to take this little scallop trim and just glue that to the top edge of the basket. So I've got some glue on here, and I'm just going to center that along the top edge of the basket opening. Just like that, and a little trim to the edge of that basket. And then I'm going to kind of center this about halfway down the height of the basket and glue that on there. And then I'm going to center the tag right on top. Okay. And that is our gift card pocket. The gift card sleeve is done. So now we can work on the insert piece. So this is the main insert piece. This is where the slots where the gift card is going to be inserted. And then we're just going to start by stacking these pieces onto the base piece. So these are the bottom pieces. So we're going to put the eggs lined up here where the eggs go. Okay, and then for the bunny, we're going to go ahead and stack that piece like that. So I'm going to put glue on the back of his face here. Okay, so I've got glue here. Just going to line that up. Okay, so we've got that on there, and I'm going to go ahead and add his nose on. So I actually like to use a pair of tweezers. Kind of makes it easier to deal with these smaller pieces. I can go ahead and put his nose on there. And then these little paw pieces are optional. You can just glue them on top of the paws, or you can use a little bit of foam tape to give it a little bit of dimension. So I'm actually going to do that. I'm just going to use some of these foam squares and just give this a little bit of dimension. And I'm just going to stick down a little paws on top. Okay, so that gives this paws a little bit of dimension. And now we can go ahead and glue the bunny face onto the insert piece. Now, if you want his paws to kind of hang over the outside of the basket, then when we're gluing this piece down, just be careful not to put glue, on the bottom half of the paws. So I've got glue on the back, but I was careful not to put glue on the very bottom of the paws so that they can be free to hang over the edge of the basket. And now I'm going to go ahead and just glue this bunny face onto the insert piece. Okay, so now that's the insert piece is done and our gift card is complete. So we can just grab our gift card and carefully slide it under those flaps. And then we can just pop him in the basket. And there he goes. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you have fun making this. Please feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions.